Hello, my name's Tim Wright. My friends like to call me Tim. I'm a development engineer at Jaguar cars, and I specialise in hydraulics and chassis tuning. But my biggest love is motorcycles, especially things like this. And this took our team to the British Endurance Moped Racing Championship a few years ago. As you can see from its pretty poor state, it was bodged then and it's bodged now, but it got us there and we won.
My name's Shane. I also work at Jaguar, and I work at the S-Type factory where I work as a chassis engineer. I'm the member of the team who can actually weld and also has a welder. Actually, I quite like scrapyards. I have a couple of old cars and spend most of my time, in fact, scavenging old bits from the scrapyards to keep them going. I've also got an old Victorian house which I've done a lot of DIY work to, like wiring, but also a bit of chipping as well. In fact, I made this wonderfully bodged device here, which is actually an old shelf and a bit of metal and an old shaft out of the gearbox to actually cut some skirting board. In fact, I can demonstrate it now and actually do it like that. The only problem was when I finished it all, I found that the house wasn't 90 degrees and none of the joints fitted anyway.
Hello, I'm Gary with 2 R's. I also work at Jaguar. I have 2 engineering degrees and I'm a chartered engineer. But my particular enthusiasm is for bodging taps, particularly French taps. All of this bathroom was salvaged from France, including this mixer tap, which I salvaged from a French scrapyard, polished, had replated and made fit all of the English plumbing fittings. And welcome to my perfect kitchen stroke workshop.
And we're kitty litter, or if you prefer, faster pussycat kill kill.
And today we're going to demonstrate how a nuclear power station works by using a second-hand pressure cooker and a few scrap household utensils.
This is a nuclear power station. This is the pressure vessel. Here is the nuclear material, the nuclear core. These are the carbon control rods. This is the control mechanism. Superheated steam exits here into the turbine housing, which drives the turbine, which powers the generator, which gives electricity. This is kitty litter's pressure vessel, and this is the nuclear core, which in the absence of any genuine nuclear material, we're heating up with glow lamps. Gary, the control mechanism, will lower it into the water to demonstrate an uncontrolled reaction generating steam.
Check the number 1 carrot.
Okay, check it with the carrot dimensions.
In a real nuclear reactor, carbon rods are used to control the rate of reaction. Unfortunately, we can't get hold of any carbon rods, so instead we have these frozen carrots. And Tim's going to demonstrate here how dropping the carrots into the boiling liquid will actually reduce the severity of the boiling. You can just about see now as Tim drops them in, the level's dropping.
I'm in the process of cutting out a turbine blade to demonstrate the electricity producing element of the nuclear process.
Got it. Hit it. Is that good?
No, it's bad.
Whoa! That'll do. Alright, now onto the big one. Oh, it's almost good. Yeah, that's perfect. We haven't actually got the right size drill, so we're using the wood 4 inches. Oh my god. Oh, fantastic. Now we've got to solder the pressure tapping for the nuclear reactor to the pipe that's going to feed the steam to the turbine.
Got it again.
Keep it going.
What are you doing now?
We're now fixing the pressure tapping to the boiler.
We'll have superheated steam from the reactor coming in here. This is the turbine that I built earlier on. And you can see this is connected to a generator, which is an electric motor here. This spins inside the turbine housing here and generates electricity.
This is our nuclear reactor generating pressurised steam, which travels up this copper pipe through the regulator valve here which when opened allows steam into the turbine housing, over the turbine, which spins the generator, generating electricity, which hopefully will make this light bulb glow. So, here goes. Thank you. We've been Kitty Litter.
That's nuclear power.
It's not rocket science.
Good night.